Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet Atufu, and if this is your first time here, you're definitely welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full detailed makeup tutorial. So if that'll be something you're interested in watching, then definitely keep on watching. But before we start off the video, guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And without wasting more time, let's jump into the video. So guys, starting off with the look, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I always like to start off with my eyebrows most of the time, but of recent I just started doing my whole full face makeup before I come over to do my eyes. But I'm still a supporter of finishing up with your eye look and then moving on to your face. So for today, I'll be starting off with my eyes, and for my eyebrow I just like to go in with my pencil. Like I said, this is the David's pencil in number 18082. I'm just going to start off at the bottom and then trace everything to connect together. Basically, I have a detailed tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, so I can leave that in the description box if that will be something you guys are interested in. Any mistake you make, you can always go in with your concealer, so that's really not an issue for me. So I'm just going to quickly do this one off camera and then be back to show you guys how I clean up with my. So when it comes to cleaning up my eyebrow, I like to go in with this. It's a wing liner brush. It's slanted, so it gives me like the most natural line. So I'm going in with my Elegant. Blending out the product downwards to clean up any mistake. I hope I'm not blocking you guys with this. Sorry. So guys, just like that, you see? So now I'm coming in with for the top, going in with very little product on my brush, and then I just. And so guys, I'm definitely through with the brows. I'm just going to brush over it one more time because I don't want the pencil to be too concentrated in a particular place. So guys, I'm done with my brows. I'm going to move on to my eyes, doing the eyeshadow. I think like I said, I want to do the cut crease matte, but I don't know which colors I'll be using, so yeah, this will be fun. So first thing first, I'm going to go in with primer. You guys know I always go in with my concealer for my eyeshadow primer. So I'll be going in with the Colourpop No Filter concealer in the shade medium dark 34. So you guys know I go in with my concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I never use anything else. Guys, the foam for this remote too. So next guys, I'm going to use my Avoa setting powder. This is the Avoa Professional 24 hours hold and loose powder. So I'm going to use this to set all over my eyelid. So guys, I'm starting off with the J Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be taking this yellow shade here. This is going to be my transition shade. Yeah, I think I finally figured out what I'll be doing. So I'm picking this up on a Luxe Crease brush from Zoeva. This is their 228 brush. So this I got from AliExpress. So guys, if you have hooded eyes like me, you can always bring your mirror down, whatever you're using to see yourself, basically bring your mirror down and then just look into the camera. So you're looking, your mirror is below you, so that way you can just see where you have where your crease is, in case you don't know where your crease is. So that's just a little bit of tip for all my hooded girls out there. So I'm going to go into this orange shade, this burnt orange shade from the palette. And I'm going to focus this directly on top of that yellow shade I just placed on my transition area, and also I'm also going to focus it on my crease. But truth be told, this color is, I'm going to cover up this color still. I actually want a deeper one, so I'm going to mix it with this even more burnt shade. So basically I just like to go in windshield swiper motion, so if I feel I still need more, you know, I want to build the shade, I go back into the palette and just pick up more of that shade. Don't forget to tap off the don't forget to tap off the excess, guys. I ended up going with this shade. It was more darker than this one. And so next I'm going in with a smoky shader brush. This is the 234 brush from Zoeva. So I'm going to go into this neutral brown shade here. This is just going to help me deepen up the shade. So I'm just concentrating this there. I'm also going to pack the shade all over the outer view of my eyes. So like I said, for this shade also, this will be very good if you're trying to like deepen up your crease area. Just like I said, take your mirror down and then look into it so you can see where exactly your crease is. So, and this flat shader brush is just like the best because it just goes into, you know, it goes into the crease and just helps you build up the shade and also blend it out also. So guys, I'm going to go back into that orange shade and just, you know, blend it above this, because it feels like I lost the shade while I was blending. Right now I'm just applying all the shades I applied at the beginning. Feels like we lost everything during the blending process, so you just want to go back in and reapply those shades. So guys, when it comes to cutting my crease, I always like to go in with my flat brush, guys. Yo, I have so many detailed videos. I think I even just did one recently, you know, my previous video, so I'm not really going to go, you know, ham into how I do my cut crease basically, but just blend in the concealer, whatever you're using, into the shade at the outer view of your eyes, which I'm doing also. More like you're stamping it, so it will just help to give it the appearance of you having a faded look, because you definitely want like a gradient look between your shades. So I'm going to start off with all the shades I applied already on my crease, but now I'm starting off with the orange shade, and I'm just tapping that on the outer corner. My favorite part about makeup, it's just, you know, seeing the transformation that it gives. But you know, the main part I actually like doing is like my face makeup. I love the eyes. I love, you know, I love creating, you know, mixing different colors to come up with something spectacular. But doing my face is still like my most favorite part. I'm going to go in with this shade here, this bright neutral shade. So it's just going to cement everything I've done here basically. I'm just going to add that on top of this because I want it to be light, not, yeah, this is what I wanted. Yeah, much better. Go back into the darkest shade I took top of the excess and start blending that into the orange shade. So basically I'm going to go back in with that dark brown shade, that dark neutral brown shade, which is this, and I'm going to use this to draw up a line. So guys, I'm going to go in with my Zaron Lengthening mascara. This is my absolute favorite. I use the Star Glue eyelash adhesive. So it's a clear glue, so it's going to dry down clear. Basically, that's all that it means. You can always go in with my hands on with my fingers on my tweezers. So basically, just try to get it as close to your natural lashes as you can, and then after that, once it's top, once it's trying to get dry, you know, like almost dry, you go in with the tweezer and just clamp your false lashes and your natural lashes together. And basically that's that. Of course, you want to allow your lashes to dry down for about 30 seconds or more, depending on the type of glue you're using, you know, before you go in to apply it. So guys, moving on to my face makeup now. I'm going to start off with my moisturizer. For that, I'm using the Moiature Potion. This has hyaluronic acid in it. I'm just applying that on my hand, and then I'm going to go all over my face. For primer, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. This can be used on its own also, but sometimes I like to go in with a moisturizer first before I go in with my primer. Now this, I'm going to be focusing mainly on my T-zone area. This is definitely a thick primer. This primer is very thick, but it melts very easily, and it's very easy to, you know, melt. It's very easy to blend into your skin. If I'd used my Black Radiance, this is the Black Radiance one, that one would have been giving me like a white cast. You know, whatever you apply on your face, just make sure that it dries down before you go in with any other products, basically. So once this has dried down a bit, my face already feels very tacky, already feels very smooth for, you know, makeup application. So for foundation, okay, you know what, I think I'm going to do my powder before foundation look. I don't know, I feel like doing the Ava Professional 24 hours hold and loose powder. The foundation I'm going in with, which is my Superstay, Maybelline Superstay full coverage foundation. I thought it was saying something else on the cover, basically. So I'm just going to apply a couple of pumps on my face. If I need more, I don't want to apply on my forehead. I'm going in with the Zaron foundation brush. I love this brush. It's very easy. Blend whatever you want to blend in. It helps you get everything done in record time. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. So this I'm going to apply all over my forehead, basically. So I was going with too much. My cheekbone, my jawline. So make sure you get your hairline. You don't want any lines of demarcation when it comes to, you know, basically blending all of your products together. You just want everything to look effortless, like, you know, and no harsh lines, no lines of demarcation between everything you apply. Guys, I'm going into concealer, and I'm using my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 42. Now this is very similar to my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'm just bringing that. Whew. Guys, you just see what happened? These things keep falling, and it was like barely touching my, you know. I'm so mad right now. I'm just going to start off with this. Alright, you just want to keep blending and focus all of this in that same spot. I've had like rashes all over my forehead for a while now. It has refused to go in. Once it starts, going up or going in, another more begins to form. And you just want to look up when blending. And then everything's gonna come out fine. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. If you're going to use the same beauty blender you used in setting, you use in blending out your concealer, make sure you turn around to the other side when you want to set your concealer. It's just better. You can do it the other way, but this is just better and advisable. So next, I'm going into the NYX Highlighter and Contour Pro palette, and I'll pick in this darker shade. You can see, guys, this shade is like very much love. This I'm going to use to set all the areas where I applied contour. I'm going to go into my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I'm going into the Colourpop Highlighter in the shade Booming. Be going a bit to smoke out that underneath eyes and apply my lashes, apply my lips. Going in with my Zaron mascara, the same I used in my top lash. And I'm going to just apply the content all over the bottom lashes and then go in and spread them throughout. So guys, I want to do a very natural lips, so I'm going in with the Early Girl lip pencil in Coffee. I'm going in with the Zaron XOXO lipstick, Lipgloss. So guys, this is the completed makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.